After 60, every step can tell a story. Some steps feel light and free, while others carry the weight of years, stiffness, or pain that seems to whisper, "Slow down." But doctors today are saying something very different. They're saying you can walk comfortably again, no matter your age, if you use 3 simple products and embrace a few lifestyle changes that make your body feel renewed, your movements fluid, and your spirit alive. Because comfort in walking isn't about age, it's about how you care for the amazing body that has carried you through life. The first thing doctors emphasize is support. As we grow older, the arches of our feet begin to flatten and lose cushioning. That's why the first product doctors recommend is a good pair of orthopedic insoles. These aren't just pieces of foam you slip into your shoes. They're small miracles of design, created to realign your posture, balance your steps, and reduce pressure on your knees, hips, and lower back. When you wear the right insoles, your whole body feels lighter. Many people say it feels like walking on clouds, and that's not an exaggeration. With proper support, your body starts to remember what comfortable movement feels like. The second product doctors often highlight is compression socks. Now, you might think of socks as something ordinary, but compression socks are a quiet revolution for circulation. As we age, blood flow slows, swelling creeps into the ankles, and pain begins to settle in. Compression socks gently hug your legs, helping blood move back toward the heart, reducing swelling, and giving your legs that sense of energy again. Many seniors notice that just by wearing them daily. They feel more balanced and confident with every step. It's amazing how such a small change can spark such a big difference. The third product doctors recommend is a simple walking cane, but not just any cane. Modern ergonomic canes are designed to give stability without stiffness, to provide freedom instead of restriction. They allow you to walk upright, to feel secure, and to enjoy your daily movement again without fear of losing balance. Many older adults think using a cane means giving up independence, but doctors say it's quite the opposite. It's a tool that restores freedom, because when you feel supported, you're more willing to go outside, move around, and live fully. These 3 products, orthopedic insoles, compression socks, and ergonomic canes, are not signs of weakness. They are signs of wisdom, of knowing that taking care of your body is a form of strength. But these tools work best when paired with daily habits that fuel your body from within. Doctors remind us that movement is medicine, and even 5 minutes a day can change the way your joints feel. Start your morning with gentle stretches or a light walk around the house. Move your ankles, roll your shoulders, bend your knees softly, and breathe deeply. Every small movement awakens the muscles that protect your joints. Consistency matters more than intensity. You don't need to run marathons or lift heavy weights. All you need is a few minutes of mindful motion every day to tell your body, "I'm still here, I'm still capable, and I'm still moving forward." Your diet plays an equally powerful role. After 60, your body craves nourishment that reduces inflammation and strengthens bones. Think of your plate as a medicine cabinet filled with colors: greens like spinach and kale for vitamins, oranges and yellows from carrots, and sweet potatoes for antioxidants, and omega-rich foods like salmon, walnuts, or flax seeds to keep your joints supple. Doctors often recommend cutting down on processed sugar and refined oils because they ignite inflammation that tightens the joints. Instead, focus on whole foods that give your body the raw materials it needs to rebuild. Drink plenty of water because dehydration stiffens the muscles. Sometimes, walking pain isn't just about your legs, it's about what your body lacks in nourishment. Sleep is another powerful ally. When you rest well, your joints repair and your muscles recover. Make your nights sacred, dim the lights, turn off screens, and allow your body to sink into calm. Quality rest is one of the most overlooked secrets to comfortable walking. And doctors say even 30 extra minutes of deep sleep can ease morning stiffness. Of course, none of this works without a healthy mindset. The mind leads and the body follows. Many people at 60 or 70 still live with the belief that pain is inevitable, that slowing down is a natural sentence. But the truth is, your body listens to what your mind believes. If you wake up expecting pain, your body prepares for it. But if you wake up saying, "Today, I'll move with ease," your mind sends your body a different message. Doctors often see that patients who stay positive recover faster, adapt better, and walk more confidently. Optimism isn't just a mood, it's a healing force. Lifestyle plays a part too. Spend time in sunlight for vitamin D, which strengthens your bones. Keep your home space open and clutter-free so you can walk safely and freely. Walk on soft grass when you can. It massages your feet and connects you to nature. Take short breaks if you sit for long hours. And never underestimate the power of music. Listening to songs that lift your spirit while walking can make your steps lighter and your heart happier. Every small choice adds up. Doctors can suggest the right tools, but it's your decision to use them that changes everything. Think of those 3 products not as medical aids, but as companions on your journey toward freedom, each one playing its part in returning your comfort, confidence, and independence. Add a little discipline, a balanced meal, some fresh air, and a sprinkle of joy. And suddenly your 60s and 70s don't feel like slowing down. They feel like starting over with wisdom. The body may age, but vitality is timeless. When you take that first pain-free step, you realize that healing is possible at any stage. You may not run like you did at 20, but you can walk with strength, grace, and pride. Each step becomes a quiet victory, each walk a reminder that you still own your body, your choices, and your journey. So today, promise yourself this: you'll invest in those 3 doctor-approved tools. You'll feed your body with care, you'll move every day, and you'll speak kindly to yourself. Because comfort isn't just about what's under your feet, it's about the peace that begins in your heart. Remember, your journey isn't over. It's evolving. And every time you choose movement, nourishment, and hope, you're proving that age is not the end of mobility, it's the beginning of mastery. Walk with purpose, walk with gratitude, and know that each step is a celebration of life itself.